Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the BOSCH GRT 18V-33 Professional Cordless Grass Trimmer. This tool is perfect for tackling long grass and stubborn weeds in medium-sized green areas. With a powerful brushless motor encased in robust aluminum housing, you get durability and performance in one package. Adjust the speed manually to match your working conditions, optimizing noise level and runtime. Plus, the electronic speed control keeps it steady, no matter the challenge. Say goodbye to tangled lines with the Bosch anti-tangle feature. If the motor jams, it frees itself completely. Winding the line is a breeze with the ProTap spool and Easy Wind. No need to open the spool. Lightweight, adjustable handle and included shoulder strap make it comfortable to use.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.